guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany for those of you who are new, so welcome. Today I'll be doing a first impressions and tutorial using the new Laura Lee Los Angeles Nudie Patootie collection. So I did order the bundle, which is why this video is going up a little bit later, because you had to pre-order it and it didn't ship until like June 8th, and it got here like a day or two ago. But yeah, I'm just not able to sit down and film with it. So it does come in this box, and it's really cute and nice and like sleek, and you just open up the front, and on the top it like says Laura Lee Los Angeles, and you got all of her like handles, and then you also get this cute little card with her picture on it, and then like the ingredients of everything is on the back. So if you want to like pause this or screenshot this, there you go. But yeah, so you do get the Nudie Patootie palette and all three lipsticks. And I honestly forgot how much I paid because I pre-ordered it a while back. But yeah, so this is what the palette looks like. And then just open her up. You get a nice size mirror. There's my lighting and everything. And this is what the colors look like. I'm going to try and like situate it so you guys can look at it without the reflection, which is kind of hard to do. And then you get 3 liquid lips, and this is what the packaging on those looks like. And it has like a little like LL there, like her logo, and it's like kind of honestly like you could hurt someone with this if they piss you off. But I really like the packaging. I think it's super cute, and I love the nude, and I really like this collection. It just seems really cohesive and really thought out, and it's sleek, and it's not like all over the place. I still loved her first palette, and I still use it a lot, but I do love like this collection and like the look of it so much more. So if you guys want to see my tutorial on this and then my thoughts after using everything, then just keep watching. Alright, so we are starting with the eyes because I have not ever tried this palette out, and I don't know if there's gonna be a lot of fallout and what kind of look I'm gonna do yet. I kind of just wing everything in my life, especially when I'm getting ready for work like I am right now. So I did already go ahead and prime my eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. And I will be using the palette to set it because I saw there is a nice, obviously there's nude shades. I was going to say there's a nice nude shade, but this whole palette is nude. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and set everything right now with my Morphe E22. And I'm going to do and use the shade Undressed, this one right there, to go ahead and set everything. Sorry if like the light shines back weird because I know this packaging is reflective and my lighting isn't the best right now. I just sit in front of a ring light like I always have. But I am going to be changing things since I've been doing this stuff for 2 years. I clearly like it. Yeah, so I decided to mix up my background because I hated my old background, like just filming at my vanity and then having like a random like curtain in the background. So we brought in like my old vanity like as a table for now, and we're gonna get more lighting. And this background is probably temporary too, because we put it on the side, and instead at some point once we get more lighting, I'm going to move my filming setup to the other side of my beauty room, like when you walk in, so you can see my whole beauty room behind me while I film. I think that'd be kind of nice. I like normal backgrounds, like this kind of thing that you can see now, which I did go through when I decluttered. I made my shelves really pretty, so I think that will help it. Alright, so I got my nice base down, and I still don't know what I'm going to do, but I do have what I'm wearing on. It's just like a, kind of like, it has like a fishnet looking top, and then it has like these cute little like floral ruffly bottom with like pink flowers on it. So it's definitely like a nude palette. I'm definitely going to incorporate the pink bear on the end. So I think I'm just going to wing it like I said. Sorry if you can like hear me wheezing on the video. I am like really allergic to cats, and my allergies have been bad, and we have 4 cats, so I guess it's better than 8. We used to have 8 cats, so anyways, I'm gonna take my Morphe M433 and I'm going to dip into the shade Streaking. I think it was that one. It's that nice nude shade. And I'm just going to put this into my crease. Sorry if I'm looking down. I'm using this as a mirror since everything is a little bit different on me right now. I think for my lid color, I kind of want to use Exposed all over it because I think Jaybird is a little too dark for my look today. And I don't want to do gold because I'm not wearing gold jewelry. So I think I'm going to do Exposed at some point. But anyways, next I'm going to take that exact same brush and I'm going to dip into the shade Reveal right there. Another nice nude, and I'm going to pack this on. I feel like I'm like really late to the game with this, but I did pre-order the bundle a while back and it was going to take like 10 days to ship, and I did get it in the other day, but I have been really tired and I've switched up my diet again. Not like, it's mostly vegan, just to like feel better, and I don't know, I'm just gonna see where it goes this time. I'm doing like yesterday, I'm trying to eat like 90% vegan, and I know these protein shakes I have aren't, but they're so good and they help me out so much during the day because I'm like transitioning from a really crappy diet. Like I've had a really crap diet lately and it's just made my life so much easier. I feel so much better. I don't want any more fast food. But yesterday Chris and I, like this is the first like kind of like actual meal that I had that wasn't technically vegan. I was like vegetarian, I guess, but I got a Caesar salad at this place called Fresh Steak in town, and it was really good. Obviously there was cheese on it and everything like that in the dressing, but I didn't eat a lot of the dressing or the cheese. I kind of like dipped my fork first and then like got lettuce instead of like dressing my salad like usual, you know. But I've been doing like most of my veggies and like we got like lentils and all kinds of things like that. But I'm just feeling so much better. And we've been working out again and I've been drinking water, so I quit drinking pop, and my belly is like already like not bloated at all and fine again, which is crazy. That's pop and my food diet. Like it's only been 3 days and I've already noticed a difference, which is crazy. But yeah, sorry, random, but I wanted to share it. So next I'm gonna take a fluffy tapered Morphe brush and I kind of want to dip into that pinky shade Bear just to get a little bit of that on my eyes, because right now it's like more orangey, yellow, mustard color, and like I said, I want a little bit of pink. My face is like breaking out. I have not changed my routine at all, but yeah, ever since I started eating healthy, like my skin has been not good, and I think it is because of changing my diet to good, and like my skin's detoxing right now, which is fine. We can cover all that up. It's not a big deal. I know it will go away because my skin has been really nice lately. Like I haven't had a breakout in a while, which has been great. So I really like my skincare routine. Maybe I'll do like, well, my nighttime routine really hasn't changed, and I really don't do anything in the day because my skin's sensitive. Like I literally just wake up and I put on my Mario Badescu spray and then I do my makeup. Like that's literally it. But my skin seems to like it. Like my skin likes a simple routine. Maybe I'll have to do a get ready with me next time. I guess this kind of is, but also while reviewing and trying out this Laura Lee palette, I'm keeping it pretty easy today. I really want to use Jaybird and like Au Naturel sometime, but not today because your girl's gotta get ready quicker. It's already like 7:18 and I gotta be ready in like an hour. So I'm gonna take some MAC Fix Plus and my Morphe G14 that I like to use and just spray it. There we go. And I'm gonna dip into the shade Exposed right there. And I'm gonna be putting this all over my lid. I have these colors kind of go together. Maybe I'll add butt. I think I am gonna add Butt Naked to like deepen it a little bit. Once it's on here. There's a lot to fall out though, so definitely do your eye makeup first with this palette, kids, if you're gonna use a glitter. Sparkly shimmer. It also could be the brush I use because I know it's a little bit more fluffy. It's not actually like a packing brush, but my packing brushes I can't find at the moment. So, alright, before I sweep that fall under my eyes, because holy crap, I'm gonna take my favorite little tapered Morphe brush and I'm gonna dip into the shade Butt Naked over here. This one. And then maybe a little bit of Naked, but we shall see. I want to see how deep it gets. Just kind of doing like my normal like smokier eye that I like to do every day. Alright, I'm going to dip it a little bit to Naked with this same brush. And that is really pigmented, so I need to blend this out. And I'm going to take a makeup wipe just to clean everything up. I'm going to go ahead and add some of my NYX matte liquid liner to my eyes. And I'm going to be looking sideways because I do need like an actual mirror for this. So, alright, I went ahead and popped on some mascara on my lashes and some lashes. They are the Mega Volume in Style 250 from Ardell. They're like my go-to everyday lashes, and I just really love them because you can keep reusing them. But while these dry, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup so I can come back and finish the eyes and swatch some lips for you guys. Alright, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my face. So now we can go ahead and do our lower lash line. Alright. So I'm going to take my Morphe M411 and I'm going to dip into the shade Reveal and just sweep this under my lower lash line. And I'm going to dip into Streaking next with the exact same brush. And I'm going to put on some bottom liner. I'm using my Morphe liner in the shade Richie. It's like this pretty dark brown. Alright, I'm going to pop on some mascara. It's my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. This is my like all-time favorite mascara. Just lengthens and gives me volume. She had 3 liquid lipsticks. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them all on the back of my hand. I was going to do lip swatches, but I really don't want to ruin my makeup around my mouth at all because I did already like have to set everything. So I'm going to do a swatch on my hand and show you guys, and then I will pick one and put it on my lips. Alright, so I went ahead and swatched them on my hand. So up top is the darkest one in her little bundle. It is Jaybird, which I think was also a name of a shadow, I believe. And then in the middle right here we have Naked. And then on the very bottom we have the shade Topless. So looking at them, I can't decide which shade I want to do because I kind of like really love the darkest one, but I feel like Naked would be really pretty, but I also think that middle one would be really pretty. I think I'm gonna go with the like middle one in Topless and put this on my lips. I did go ahead and put on chapstick before this. Alright, so again, I've just put Topless on my lips and these shades have kind of dried down again. So I'll just show you a real quick rundown again. So we got Jaybird, Naked, and Topless. And I think these are really pretty nudes. I think these would be even better if I had like a more medium skin tone because I am really fair right now. We weren't able to go to the beach like we wanted to for my birthday because of the weather. So I am still butt white. But yeah. So that is it for this little first impression and a mini review. I obviously can't give you guys like a full review on this collection because this is my first time using it, but I really like everything so far. I forgot to mention the lipstick kind of smells like exactly like my Lawless Beauty lipsticks, and I really like that. It definitely goes on different and it feels different. This one's a little bit more drying compared to those. If you do have those, it's probably like actually matte. It still feels a little slightly tacky, so I'm gonna let it dry even more. And don't want to do like a kiss test and take it off. But I really like the eyeshadow so far. I think they performed really nicely, and yeah, I can't wait to use this palette more. I think it'll be a good everyday palette for when I'm like feeling nude colors. I usually wear purples and greens, to be honest, but I do reach for nudes, and I thought this would be a great palette to pick up, so I did, and I thought the bundle was a great deal. But yeah, that's kind of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!